Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I was going to be upgrading the, well, not exactly upgrading, but today I'm going to be installing an SSD, an M.2 SSD into the HP Elitebook 835G7. The same process applies to the 830 as well. The difference is 835 is the AMD processor, 830 is the Intel processor. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open up the base cover, held in by 5 screws. The good thing is you won't have to worry about the screws going amiss because they actually stay inside the cover. And now the trick to get the cover off is that there's some plastic tabs down there. You don't want to be damaging them, so you will lift it up from here. It's pretty easy to lift up once it's free from the top, where the hinges are. You basically just have to lift up and up basically. So I'm just gonna pull it up. Yeah, I can see. Okay, perfect. This has come off. That's the case. And as you can see, these screws will remain inside and won't have to worry about them going amiss. So here we have the inside. So you've got the battery, you've got the RAM, that's the CPU, that's the Wi-Fi card, and those are the speakers. Just to briefly show you what the layout is inside. That's where the M.2 SSD goes in. As you can see that it's empty. It's only because I had removed the previous one to put into another laptop, but this one is going to be getting this initially came with 256 GB, so it's going to be getting an upgrade to the 512 GB. So pretty easy. You just slot it in. I can see that the screw is still in there, so let me remove that. There is a shield that is on there, but I'm gonna show you once I do the installation. So the SSD, pretty simple. It just gets slotted in. Once you can see that it's in, place it down. Place it down and get the screw in, which for me is usually the most difficult part, because it's so close to those wires. And it would be helpful here if you had like a magnetic tip, which unfortunately I don't. Oh, it's not gone in yet. Perfect. So we just gonna make sure that it's screwed in. Yeah, I could see that there was a bit of a play, but it was just me that I did not tighten it enough. But you just need to you don't need to over tighten it. Just make sure that you've tightened it enough that it doesn't move. Now to get the shield on, the shield looks a bit like this. It was just basically take off and back on. I removed it previously because as I told you that I removed the SSD to use in another project, but you will see that there's the lines there. So all you need to do is literally just place it on top. You will hear the click once you know that it is in place. Perfect. So that is in. The SSD is installed, and now basically the cover goes back on and gets tightened up. Make sure when you put the cover on, the base goes in first and then you screw it down. Hopefully this video was helpful. I just thought that since I was upgrading it, I might as well just share it with you guys. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good evening, good day, and good morning. Take care.